everyone, today I'm going to be sharing with you my go-to looks and style for daily wear. I'd have to say my everyday outfits are pretty basic, so I hope you're ready for some super chill, casual, kind of lazy looks. I usually prefer simple and clean looks for a daily basis, but of course everyone should wear what they like and what they're comfortable in, so these are just looks that I usually go for. So if you're looking for some ideas for just basic clothing, hopefully you will find this video interesting. So I hope that you enjoy it, and let's go ahead and get started. Part of my go-to is always most likely a t-shirt and some form of denim on the bottom, whether it's jeans, shorts, or skirt. If it's cold, I'd probably wear a sweater or hoodie instead, but generally this is what I start with if I'm just trying to be comfortable. For my t-shirt, it usually varies in color or print and if I want to crop it or not, but the most basic is with a white tee. As I mentioned, I'm here to be comfortable, so I like to add a top layer because I don't know if it's just me, but another layer makes me feel cozier, and this can change too, but I feel like a zip-up hoodie gives a really chill, effortless vibe. Of course, when it's super hot, you don't need this, or you can switch it out for a lighter fabric like a flannel or sheer cardigan. Something you would wear for a warm summer breezy night. And yes, I do sometimes still wear long sleeves in the summer. And now depending on what clothing I'm wearing is how I choose my shoes. Sometimes I build my outfit around shoes, but a lot of the times I don't because I prefer looking at what actual clothing I'm wearing. So towards the end, I'll try on a few different ones and see what matches or what I feel like wearing. Since I live in New York, walking everywhere is common, so sneakers are always my first choice. And I've had these Air Force Ones for a long time, so they're pretty worn in and are really comfortable to wear on a daily basis if I want to get things done. If I'm going out or meeting someone and I want to look a little less casual, I would switch sneakers out for boots. These are actually one of the more comfortable ones I own, but still, I really would only wear them if I'm going from one location to another. Even though the only differences are the shoes, by just changing those creates a slightly different feel to the outfit. If you feel like this is a little too simple, which there's nothing wrong with, but if you want to add more to this outfit, I personally really love scarves tied around the neck, which I find makes your outfit look more chic, and if you want, you can also add them to your bag. Also, for an everyday style, I like the effortless. Didn't really think too much about my outfit look, and the less there is to an outfit with a few good pieces is what helps achieve that. So for the second look, I'm wearing this two-piece mock blouse. I bought this when I was in Seoul, and I love these types of tops because it gives the illusion like you layered, but what appears as the inner top actually ends when the blouse starts. So it's just one piece, and it kind of also saves you time with trying to layer and tuck everything in and adjusting it. Actually, one of my relatives tried to pull this blouse up once because she thought it was falling off, and it was kind of funny because it was just not going up. But yeah, I like that it looks like there's two layers. And I just wore this with a washed black denim skirt. For shoes, I'm wearing white Converses, which I feel like is the perfect shoe to have, especially for summer because it fits a lot of different styles, so you can wear it with everything. I love a good and simple striped shirt, especially one that's a little more oversized. This style of top comes in handy on days when I'm not feeling the best and it seems like nothing looks good on because it's airy, and due to its oversized fit, it's super comfortable and you don't have to worry if it'll look right since there's no specific fit or shape in oversized clothing. But it's also a cute top in general, so today I tucked it into a pair of jeans, which creates a nice contrast of loose and tight fitting. I really love how comfortably this top sits on your body, so you don't need to wonder if your outfit needs to be adjusted or fixed. The super long sleeves creates a nice detail as well, although it can be a tiny bit of a bother when you're trying to do things, but honestly, for the look, I don't really mind. And I thought because the outfit is so laid back and I skipped accessories, I would wear it with these sock boots, but I also like sneakers with it. An all black fit is definitely a look I rotate into a lot. I just think black looks good no matter what, and if I don't want to spend time picking out an outfit, I'll go for black because it's an easy color to work with and you can make it into any style you like. I honestly love seeing colorful outfits, but in the end, black has my heart. And you know how you have an item or color you wear and it makes you feel more confident? That's me with black. And I wanted to add a blazer on top, but I couldn't decide which one went with it more, so let me know in the comments which one you like more with this outfit or if you prefer it without. I think the key to making monochrome outfits more interesting is to have different details to the clothing, such as their material, shape, or overall design. Also, I usually try to keep my shoes clean, but with certain ones that I don't care for as much, I get lazy. But I don't know, I kind of feel like Vans look okay with some dirt on them. Okay, I know I just talked about how much I love black, but there's many styles I like. So for the last variation of a go-to look of mine is something with color. Just a little though. I tend to wear a lot of neutrals and I'm slowly adding more colorful pieces into my wardrobe. So when I'm in the mood, it's definitely fun to wear them. The colors on this top remind me of the lollipop emoji, and as the weather gets warmer, this is perfect. This is actually a really simple outfit, but with some color, it looks like there's more to it. Also, denim skirts make a really cute warm weather item, and I love the distressing detail on this one. It also has shorts attached to it. So if you feel like some skirts might be too short, skirts are a good choice. And when I don't feel like doing my hair or I just haven't washed it, I love wearing hats. It's also like a little shield you can use when you want to hide from people or just the world in general. So black boots are a must-have shoe for me, and they instantly complete any look. I like that the platform on these aren't too high, so they're quite comfortable and add just the right amount of height. Those are all the outfits that I'm going to be including in this video. Let me know which one was your favorite. And if you have any specific videos you would like to see, please let me know. I hope that you have a great day or night, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.